Okay, so I told you we were going to have future videos of this house. I just want to show you some of the most amazing things in this build. So you'll see here again a lot of under cabinet lighting, and not only under cabinet lighting, but you'll see here that even more accessible cabinets above the counters have very specific lighting concepts built in so that everything is very visible and very viewable. So you'll see this absolutely amazing kitchen, which, by the way, has very, very wide access around the massive island. Some beautiful windows looking out at the front, lots of counter space. But as you go through here in this part of the kitchen, it leads all the way around the island to all spaces in the house. This again allows people to get around effectively. Out there is a sunroom, which I'll show you in another video. But look at this great room and kitchen open concept. The wood beams above the living room area, absolutely massive fireplace with a beautiful wood mantle. And as I come into the living room here and turn around and look back, you'll see this space is just built to be fully accessible and really beautiful. You come around here, this is the front entry foyer. Again, these doors are handmade wood doors, and all of them have the triple lock system. So all the way up and down the door slab, the locking mechanism keeps this door completely locked in place. Then, as you go down the hall, which again is extremely wide in order to accommodate wheelchair access, we have the kind of main guest bathroom, which you'll see here has a comfort height toilet as well as wall-mounted toilet system. Then you come into the master bedroom, which is stunning and serene and beautiful and very wide open. But as you go into the bathroom here, this will really demonstrate some of the adaptive principles and universal living principles that we've incorporated. Because as you can see here, we have a central island countertop and vanity that is directly across from the barrier-free shower. So you can enter this shower without having to step over anything. This is obviously sloped down to the linear floor drain at the back. Lots of natural light. And then just on the other side of this, you've got your walk-in tub, which is right beside an exit to the back deck, as you can see here. And then if you kind of flip around, looking at the shower and again the island vanity, you can see that you have access through the closet area and back around to the bedroom.